sir. In some, I think so. This is what happened.
So now you know what happened yours. That's all.
No issue. That I will manage. That is what is. That is what a big challenge.
And
Then-
so many things. I told this two person, congratulate. If you have any problem, anything, I will give my best support. I will communicate with you and teach you or whatever it is, guide you and whatever it is, I will give my support. But this, you have to show some attitude to me. Especially about him, no attitude. And so that's why I'm so angry.
Build this way. First.
I grow up as okay.
Okay. Hello, everyone. We'll start in 5 minutes. We'll start by four, not five. So if anyone having any question, any query, we can have in chat box. We can do in chat box. Yes, true.
To facilitate our OS system access and CCTV monitoring and internal server access from different locations. Let's say using traditional. Hello everyone, this is Harry. As an IP support engineer, which consists of and two branches, we require a secure wide area network to facilitate our OS system access and CCTV monitoring and internal server access from different locations. Let's say using traditional VPN solution encountered several challenges. For existing VPN is very stable in latency. Two, the first a public IP for new is very difficult. Annual rental is operation. Three, deploying configuration to branch gateway requires personal, which is time consuming and labor intensive. Four, able to limit and control the whole network in real time. After the release of Reyee, it partly solves I promise I'm going to how it can integrate with our existing network to provide enhanced performance and stability. We can create SD1 group by clicking match configurations. We will bring it more group cycles later. Simply select the programs. Project location will be shown on the map. Click reconfiguration to engage more ZTP settings. Name the template first. Set an overall project password for all branches. Also, we can set the unified SSID for all branches. The configuration template can be shared as a QR code.
Hello everyone, this is Joshua from Chongqing branch, and I already received the QR code from the headquarters. Now let's scan the QR code for our SD1 networking configuration. Okay, let's open our Reyee app and scan the QR code. Great, we already finished our SD1 networking configuration. And although the branch gateway only has a private IP, but as you can see, the SD1 networking is still so smooth and fast.
Thank you, Joshua. Branch 2 is 2,000 kilometers away. We have first aid and the gateways as info in the correct and the limits. Looking anyone to connect it directly arrival and all settings will be done. Now, the EG DB3 will successfully to rescue them. Next, facilitate someone in single if facilitated. Let EG1OG V3 to a 4G1. The gateway will be banded to the project automatically. We can check the real-time status in deployment logs. Next, add the new branch 2 project in SD1 group. Now, projects of headquarters and branches are in the SD1 group. We can link up the SD1 now by clicking New Network. Choose the walkie VLANs and click Create SD1. The SD1 will be linked very soon. We can also check the process in monitoring. Wait for 2 minutes and the dashboard will update. Plan, link, device, app, client, details of individual. The link status should be peer-to-peer.
We need to run your updates to all branches. Firstly, we need to use the latest EG1510HX background as a Wi-Fi login page. And secondly, I need to build CTV of more branches. I heard that you have launched a new solution. Can you do it immediately?
Sure, boss. With the help of Reyee and Link, I can do that within 5 minutes.
Wow, great. Let's begin.
Choose the corresponding VLANs in SD1 and add a photo page. Set the background image as boss required. Add the preview and then deliver the configurations. All settings are delivered to online loaders instantly and all the logs are saved. Let's tap the new photo page via mobile phone. Connect to our branch's Wi-Fi. And the portal page is updated successfully. Next, we can access the internal IP address of other branches CCTV directly from the headquarters. Yes, the latency of CCTV is half of what it was before.
So, good evening, everyone. So, thanks for joining. We are going to start this session. So, before we start, can I request all of you to scan this barcode so that whatever I'm going to present today, you can do the experience of similar things in the same time. Here you can scan that barcode and then you can do the scanning. If anyone having any queries, then you can be here. We can chat. In chat box, you can put that. So 2 minutes more, then we'll start. I'm hoping you all of you have done the check-in. This give me 2 more minutes. Wait. If you have done the check-in, then I'm sharing one QR. If you have installed that app, then I'm sharing one QR code in that group. Please check if you can scan that. Just a moment. Okay. I've already sent the QR code that you can open and do the check-in. Now I'm going to share my screen. Why actually I told you to do the check-in to install this app because I want to just see means if you have any query, you can same time you can do the experiment also. So now this side Rajiv Singh. So I'm a country head for Ruijie India. So today we are going to discuss about SMB Universal Workshop. So what is the key value which we are delivering via our cloud in the SMB kind of solution, networking solution. So this is our app which you can download from your Play Store, from App Store kind of things. After installing this app, then you can log in. These are the steps. First step is login now. Second step, you can create the username and password. Then you can select the country and then you can create the demo project. And then QR code I have already shared you, which you can scan after creating. So now go to the, I'm hoping most of the person knows about this. This is the report from the Gartner. So these are the basically rating agency which provides the OEM status where they are into Gartner or they are not into Gartner. So this, we are there in Gartner IDC in consideration list. So here you can say we are here at top of the LE and S3C. This is about the Gartner reporting, means about the Gartner feedback. So when we talk about switches market, almost we are a fifth largest OEM in the overseas and global market. When we talk about the WLAN side, we are the third number of the OEM from the WLAN side, having 12.2% of market share. These are the some top networking. So basically, this Roger top networking vendor from China. Why actually we are on third largest vendor in the China, because 50 plus branch offices globally. Today we have 8,000 plus global employees who are associated with us, 20,000 plus global partners, business in 90 plus countries, regions, and 8 R&D center in China and 2 operation center in Fuzhou. So basically this from as far as this origin side, this origin we are going to change most of the things, we can say like by the month of April or May. So we are moving out from the China to our manufacturing, and this origin will not be the Chinese. So you can bid in any like SME or some state government or kind of thing project, you can easily bid. Even though we are going to be there in GEM also by late 2026. We are also planning to start making India kind of things. That discussion is going on. It may take some time, maybe 1 year or 2 years. The first step which we thought let us have to do, we move out the factory, we move out this origin, and now onwards, like maybe April onwards, 2026, it will be the not Chinese kinds of things. As of now, these are the certification which we have. So the technology which we are discussing now, similar technology we are going to use there. Okay. We have a two vertical similar in so this Roje having two vertical, Roje SMB and Roje SME. So when we talk about SME here, we have a competitor like Cisco, HP, Huawei, and Ruckus. When we talk about SMB, then Ubiquiti, TP-Link, D-Link, Netgear, these are all like the biggest competitor for us. Not in India market, in overseas market also. So how we have positioned ourselves, and this why people are considering us, because of higher performance, rich enterprise features, enterprise cloud features, competitive price with enterprise brand. In SMB, why people are considering us, because of the performance, practical features, self SON, which is used for configuration, attractive price with higher cost performance. These are the region where people are considering us. These are the product portfolio which you can see. We have a L2 switches, L2 plus switches, L3 switches. Then when we talk about Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 5, wall AP, ceiling AP, outdoor AP, okay, point to multi-point. These are the gateway started from 100 user till 1500 user with multi-gig and normal port also. So this gateway, this series, how you can define, if anything started from 22, anything started from 22, that is the ceiling mount. If anything is started from 22 with numerical 226, that means that is the Wi-Fi 6. If anything is started with 220, that means that is the ceiling mount Wi-Fi 5. If anything is started from 12, that is the wall mount 120, that means Wi-Fi 5, 126, that means Wi-Fi 6. Okay, these are the P2P device, and these are the smart switches, which we can say like it's a very useful for the CCTV division also. These are the gateway. Gateway can act as a firewall. Gateway can use for the SD-WAN kind of connectivity. Gateway can use for the user management. Gateway can be used for the blocking, category-wise filtering, app-wise giving prioritization. These are the features where gateway can be used. These are the some SME product line. Similar product line is there in SME with rich feature. Like when we talk about authentication 802.1x, when we talk about routing protocol, BGP, MPLS kind of protocol. So all those things, all those kind of platform, you can get it here. As far as this product like port wise, so our enterprise switches can manage the means can give you the uplink of 400 gig to 800 gig kind of also. Okay, and there's the OC network. So we have our own NMS software which can be used for for the management point of view, that you can deploy in on-premises in your VM. We have a RC which can use for the NAC point of OC for NAC point of view. Okay, and here also you can see there's the Wi-Fi 7, Wi-Fi 6, wall AP, ceiling AP, outdoor AP. These are the devices with access with physical controller. Here, most of the public in SMB solution, they are using Ruijie Cloud Controller, which is the free. No, you need not to pay anything for any cloud controller point of view. You can get the AI roaming, you can get the load balancing, you can manage all AP. There's no any AP limitation also. So these are the production line, how we have a setup. Similar production line we are going to set up in Vietnam. So what is the procedure when material came out to sell in the market? This is the step which we follow: assembling, function test, reliability assess, burn-in test, PQC function test, OQC inspection, appearance inspection, packaging, warehousing, distribution, then ready for shipment. So these are the steps which we follow so that we can have a good quality assurance to remove the RMA. So when we talk about RMA, so we have a less than 0.01% kind of RMA as of now in India as well as overseas also. These are the some references from the education point of view, healthcare point of view. So if anyone is asking, if your customer is asking, do you have such references, then you can tell them. You can just tell me the name of that particular region. I will show you that. I will share you that references which you can use for this thing, which you can use for the customer point of view. Okay, which you can use to build your customer trust. These are the hotels, some lemon tree 70% of the lemon tree properties, they prefer Ruijie in their any deployment. Royal Arcade, Orchid, Tunga. So a lot of like 3-star properties, 3-star or we can say 4-star property, they are considering us because of management. Why they are? Because of management means they have a multi-chain retail, multi-chain hotels, and they cannot deploy the L3 engineer on everywhere. So there's engineer like L3 engineer sitting on site on one location, or maybe sometime as a system integrator you are managing their AMC. So they are using our cloud to manage all the hotels. Okay, so the cloud you can manage multiple projects simultaneously without paying any charge. These are the some SMB corporate references which you can use for your SMB customer: Royal Oak, Bluestone, Billcare, Jindal, Heritage, okay, Apache, Konica, Blue Smart, NBCC kind of Reliance Metro. So which you can use. These are some retail chain restaurant references. Well, actually, retail chain slowly and gradually they started getting a lot of mindset from the retail chain, because uh, today when we talk about so whenever we went on any retail chain, then we always ask, can I have the Wi-Fi access? So here the very difficulties for the retail owner who sits there to generate the password, to give to share their own SSID and password. So what they do, they use the captive portal to give the password to give the captive portal access, where they share the voucher or some maybe SMS base to allow them access for half an hour, for 1 hour. After completion of that time, they get automatically disconnected. Our one access point, which the AP cost is less than 5,000 rupees, that AP can also provide you this kind of facility, this captive portal. If customer having their existing setup, if they don't want change that, or if they are not ready to invest much into this captive portal kind of thing, then here what you can do, you can give them this one access point at a 5,000. This AP, our cost is less than 5,000. It is up to you how much price you want to sell. You can give them this AP, can act as a standalone captive portal, which you can give to your customer, which that chain restaurant can give to their customer for this point of view, for the captive portal point of view. That is the one reason. Second reason is what? Sometimes this retail chain having multiple retail store, they have a centralized billing things, centralized billing software, server for the billing point of view. Then they use our gateway. In gateway, system integrator, they are creating SD-WAN. As of now, I can tell you, we are offering free SD-WAN solution, which I will show you how it works. So they are creating SD-WAN, even though this in one there's a lot of product when we talk about CCTV, when we talk about switches, access point, gateway, everything you can manage from our cloud controller. So that is the free. There is no need subscription charge. As of now, we are charging for that. This is how you can get that assurance when we came into this cloud kind of business, cloud kind of solution. This cloud we built for you, for your customers, so that they can get the better visibility, they can get the better management platform. So when we talk about SMB, so SMB mostly all of the system integrator who deployed the project less than 50 node, 100 node, they deployed their CCTV, they deployed their access point, switches, everything they deployed. So from management point of view, when we talk about, so anything is happened, like maybe suppose if some cable got disconnected from SIS to gateway, customer complained, my this access point is not working or my camera is not working, then you need to send that engineer to check. Here you can do the diagnostic and you can find out what kind of challenges. So I'll show you exactly what it is. So this is how 45 million plus devices are hosted on cloud, 6 million plus registered user, 120 plus countries we are covering, 20 plus languages we are supporting today. These are the cloud value chain, started from BOM till maintenance and management. We are providing everything from our cloud. So now I am just asking one question. Now, Reyee, how could I decide which model to choose? This is the first step, being a new entrance. You don't know, you want to buy Reyee devices, but you don't know how to choose, which model I need to choose. So I'll show you how easily you can choose. Just see this. I'm sharing you my desktop laptop screen, mobile screen here. Take an example, you are a new user, okay? My screen is visible. Wait. I think I'm getting some issue. Let me check. Can anyone tell my screen is visible or not? Let me do something different. I think I'm getting some issue. So sharing my screen. Wait just a moment, sir. Wait a moment. Visible or no? Okay. Okay, wait. 2 minutes, sir. Connect. I'm just connecting my mobile. Just 2 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes.
Recording in progress.
Wait a second. Okay. Now it's visible. Okay. So let me share. So this is the our app. So take an example. If you are the first person, if you don't know anything about our cloud, so how means about our products. But if you want choose Ruijie, so what is the way how you can design the BOQ? There is the very basic step here. So you can just go here in product. Here is the BOM option. Take an example. I'm a new. I don't know anything about Ruijie. So just go to the AI BOM. Click here AI BOM. Here you can put the BOM name. Ruijie. This I put the BOM name Ruijie Mumbai. I can choose the office. Here you can put the number of endpoint. I consider 50. I consider 10 CCTV. I considered multiple room, maybe 1, 2, or areas or room space, single room. I just collected here outdoor area also I added here. Then you can consider total client per room per AP that you can consider and then generate the BOM. I will not do anything. My BOM will get generated. You can see this here. I just use it. These are the BOM which I got. One gateway, one L3 switch, one L3 switch, and then 3 unit of data switch. Then 1 unit of wall point because I consider one this room. 2200 2 unit for because I consider small corridor area. One I considered some out space out area also 6 to 1 unit, and then I required one cable box and then RJ45 connector. This complete BOQ you will get. Here you can go and then you can put the price of that particular BOQ, and then if you want to create this price, put something price whatever you want to put this something. Okay. Now I put it some price whatever I need to put. Okay. So this and then you can export from here, update and export. So if you want create heat map also with the same BOQ, then you can create. Otherwise, I will show heat map later. Here you can export this. Continue. You can export in Excel format and you can submit to the customer. This is the one way. Okay. So that is what I told you how easily you can consider the BOQ to deliver. If you don't know anything about the product, then you just put the total number of node, total area, total room, total lawn, and then you will get the BOM. Now coming to the second point. This is the first. Okay. The second point here you can generate the manual BOM also. Take an example. If you have the idea about to BOM, then you can go here. If you needed one core switch, you can select one core switch. If you needed one PoE switch, just select one PoE switch. One access point, I'm just selecting one access switch. Then if I needed aggregation switch, you can select. Or I needed a gateway. I want one gateway also in this project. So I selected one 300 user gateway. I needed some access point. I needed maybe 4, 5 wall plate access point for 5 room. I can select 4 wall plate access point. I can select ceiling mount access point. Maybe I needed 5. Okay, for ceiling mount access point, I needed maybe some outdoor access point also. But I needed this. I selected this. Then here is my BOQ. Okay, here you can see your BOQ came in picture. Then you can go here, generate BOM. You can put the BOM name. Mumbai. Okay. Then you can put some note if you want to put. Then go here. This BOM is generated. You can put here price if you want, again similar price which I told you. Then export. Okay, you can export this in Excel format. Now take an example. This is the first step. You can put and generate and then you can do that. The second step is what? If customer told they needed this is the first step where you don't know about anything about the BOM. Now I'm telling you, after generation the BOM, suppose I came at your place, okay, that BOM is generated. I came at your place as a sales manager. to meet you, or you are my customer. You called me, Rajiv. I needed some access point. I have a floor plan where I want to generate the this thing. Uh, I needed a floor plan. Can you help me? So usually what happened, we went to this OEM or maybe distributor to generate the heat map because we don't have that skill set. We don't have that platform where we can generate the heat map. Now with the using of Ruijie, this app again, you can get the tools where you can generate the heat map by yourself without taking the help from anyone else. How? I'm just showing you. You can just see this video, how easily you can generate the heat map. Just see this video. Go to the AI heat map. Put the heat map, put the name. You can upload your image or maybe PDF file, or you can take the sample floor plan. You can even if you have this app, you can do the experiment of this heat map now itself. No need to wait for future. After this training, you can experiment now. Okay, we put it the area. Wall recognition, auto wall recognition, you can select. Wall recognition happen automatically. Here what I did, I don't know anything about how to run, how to create the floor plan. So what I did, I run the auto AP placement. This AI will help me to place the access AP automatically. And this tool can be used by salesperson also. If that salesperson went to the customer meeting, if he shared some floor plan, if he want showcase that customer, brother, I'm also capable to generate the heat map. So you can so that salesperson can use this tool and generate the heat map in front of the customer and can submit that. Okay, this is how easily you can generate the heat map without, if you don't know anything about the heat map. Then there is the second. This is the one. Now take an example. If I want to generate this heat map, by my own, I want use this. I'm just using my mobile. To how easily you can generate this heat map by yourself. Just see this. You can go here in app. That was the AI heat map. Now, if I want to generate this heat map by myself, so go here, go to the toolkit. Okay. In toolkit, here is the option heat map. I think, wait. My screen is not sharing. Right, let me share. Okay. So now I went to the here, I opened this app. Then I went to the heat map. Here's the heat map. Here you can choose AI or AI heat map 2.0. Then I click here AI heat map. I put the BOM name, demo. Then note, you can put the note, office, something, whatever you want to put. Then you can use the sample floor plan, and or you can use the download the any floor plan if you have. So we support this doc file and image file. We don't support CDR file. So if you don't have, then you can now itself you can check this floor. You can take the sample floor plan. Here you can put the area which you saw in AI placement. You put the area. I select here auto wall recognition. So this now it is selecting the auto wall recognition. Loading. So you can go here in add product. Here you can select. If you want add some wall AP, suppose if I need to add wall AP, this wall AP you have added here. Some place I needed to add ceiling AP, you can select the ceiling AP add. You can put this ceiling AP somewhere else. I needed maybe some more ceiling AP. You can add, I suppose for this area also I needed ceiling AP. Okay. I needed some outdoor AP for outdoor additional this outdoor area. I selected this wall AP in outdoor area. I can place this wall AP somewhere here in outdoor area. Okay, now I export this. You can get the BOQ. You needed 1 piece, 3 piece, 1 piece. And then here you can go and put the prices also. If you want to put the price, same time if you're suppose if you want to give the price to your customer, you can put the price over here. Okay. You can put the GST also. Then export. You can export in Excel sheet. You can export in Excel. You can export in PDF also. So just see this. Here is the BOQ. Here is the complete BOQ with all the highlighted feature, model number, description, quantity, unit price, total tax. Here is your topology, how it is going to install. Here's the floor. This is your floor plan, and this is the heat map on 2.4 gigahertz. This is the heat map on 5 gigahertz, and then you can go and submit. Sitting in front of the customer, you can generate the heat map. You can submit the heat map. So this built the trust in the customer mind, brother, the person, whatever they are talking about, they are not just talking about the business PO. They are giving me solution, instant on solution without waiting a single day. So this is how you can help your IT manager to build their trust, to give the value addition to your IT to the customer. Now, after generating the heat map, then what is the second step? Third step is coming. I submitted the BOM. I created the BOM, created the heat map, submitted them. Now, what is the next step? The next step is what? Customer given us approval. How easily we can configure that. That is where SON came in picture. So just say this. After generating the BOM, here is the project. So what you need to do? You need to click here. Continue. So here are the two types of project which you can create, either through Wi-Fi or through serial number. Wi-Fi, what you need to do? You just go here, you can select the this access point. This is the SSID which will show. Select the access point. Just connect with that. As of now, I am not connected any SSID. That is why I am not getting here. So you can connect. You can click here and you can get that SSID. You connect here, and after connecting, then after connected, then you can get that. After this, okay. So that was this way. And second way, where you can scan that serial number. After scanning, also you can get connected with the means you can install the this product. Now I will show you what is the easy step in demo, because I don't have physical device, so I'm just showing you demo device, demo app. This is the way how you can configure that project. Start SON process, create demo project. Here you can select this means you can put that all the devices and power on all the devices of that which you are going to configure, and then connect all the devices with their uplink port which you want to configure, and then start the configuration. This is the SSID which is showing here. Connect the SSID. Put the device login password. which you want to keep. Okay, I'm just putting this. Okay, now start configuration. So the first step is what? I put the SSID name, Rajiv. Earlier it was default SSID. I put SSID which I am going to use. This is the password for this SSID. I put the password here. Okay, this was our project. Here you can select your internet type, PPPoE, DSCP, static IP, that whatever is there, you can select that, and then say, your all this device got installed. This is the way. That's it. Now this project got configured. After configuration, if supposed to say if this is the only step to configure that project. After configuration, if you want to create some VLAN, then go here in advanced. Here is the option VLAN. You just click here. Again, this is the simple step. Just click here VLAN. And here, which types of VLAN you want to create? Wireless, wired, VoIP. You can suppose if you want to create wired VLAN, just click wired. Okay, just click wired. I think my screen got disconnected. Wait. Wait. I'm just connecting. Sorry. It got disconnected because I shared this. So here, now come to here. This project got configured. So after configuration, so take an example, when we talk about SMB, the biggest thing is what? Nowadays, people are keeping like CCTV and there's access point, endpoint within the same network. Now, what I do, what this technology said, earlier what happened, like where people having maybe more than 50 camera, 100 camera, they keep different network for CCTV, different network for network, so that it could not create a mess. To maintenance point of view, if I'm talking about 50 node or 100 node kind of project, so it's a very difficult to keep to manage two network. So what people are doing now, people are creating virtual network. Within the network, they are separating virtually. So in virtually, what you can do, suppose if you want to create the VLAN, so after configuration of the project, you just go here in advanced setting, click here VLAN, and click here. If you want to create wired VLAN, just go here. You can put the VLAN name. Here I'm putting this VLAN name CCTV. And this CCTV VLAN name, I can add the port, which switch I'm going to add this CCTV. This CCTV I'm going to add in this PoE switches. So there is some 7 CCTVs there. I selected this 7 port. Okay. This you can see this switch 7, which port you have selected for this VLAN, and then save. Okay, so this you have created this VLAN for CCTV, and these are the dedicated port switch number and switch port number which you can change anytime. If you want reconfiguration or if you want delete this VLAN, you can delete. Similar way, if you want create some separate VLAN for your guest user. Suppose I want create one VLAN for guest. So go here, put the guest name, and then encryption mode enable. If you want authenticate this VLAN with the captive portal, or I don't want encryption. I just I'm integrating this VLAN with the captive portal. I added here a captive portal page. This page name is guest. I'm creating captive portal also with this VLAN. So I selected account-based login or SMS-based, voucher-based. I selected this. Here you can change the URL if you want to change. If you want to change, you can change. I'm not. So suppose if I want this, like I think .com, this URL I want. I can change. If I want to change the background, I can change the background. I can select the photo from here itself. I selected this. This is the pics which I have selected. If you want, then if you want logo, put some logo. You can select the logo. Okay, this is the logo which I can select. Background also you can change. I can change the background with this. Okay, then save. Okay, now this portal has been created. Okay, then please select the portal. I am selecting this portal. Okay, here you can put the login 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, always. It is up to you. You can select that. This VLAN ID, you can select which VLAN you like which IP address you need to give for this VLAN, this guest user. So this is the IP address which you allotted for the guest user. Okay. Then you can put the VLAN type, which VLAN ID. Suppose I put it here, selected here, VLAN ID 82. Okay, and then save. So from this IP range to that IP range, this VLAN is associated for the guest. When guest will come in your network, they will get this captive portal name, guest captive portal name. They will connect with this guest captive portal. They will automatically get authenticated. Then one page will redirect, and in that page they can put the voucher code or something. They can get the access. Okay. So anytime if you want to see which VLAN you have created here, here you can do this. And if you want to do some reconfiguration, you can also do that. Okay. So this was the from. Now let me share my laptop screen. Okay. AI. So we discussed about heat map, how you can create heat map. After creating heat map, how easily you can configure with SON. So this is how this is the device. All 4 devices are restored to default and without any pre-configuration. So this device you can configure in 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes, all the device can get configured. And SON, how it get configured, which I have already shown you. Now VLAN part, I shown you that guest VLAN separated, CCTV VLAN separated. You can see here one video also.
Welcome to Auto Configured Network Solution, a world-leading feature powered by Reyee Cloud. That allows everyone to deploy.
This is from laptop GUI. So we have you can log in with ruijie.cloud.com.
And when you are ready
then
to
you
start
can
configure,
create the VLAN from
set
GUI
up
also.
wired or wireless subnet from router to AP in a wizard. Begin by clicking Add WLAN Network. Fill in the Wi-Fi SSID and password for whole wireless network. Next, add description of the subnet. For example, office, and fill in a VLAN ID. Gateway IP address and subnet will be assigned automatically in binding with VLAN ID. Also, DHCP will be enabled on your router or core switches. It's recommended to make it on core switches. All switch ports will detect access points and add the subnet automatically. The correct configurations will be applied in a minute, and internet will work on the whole network devices from now on. There is also an option to add a wired network. The same process adds description in VLAN ID. Then select switches and ports that you want to plug into the computers and other client terminals. The selected ports will be set as access ports, and VLAN will be added to these ports. Other switches which are not selected will add this VLAN to trunk port only. By double-checking and confirming, all correct configurations will also work in a minute. Your network is working properly now. Cloud, make your business easy.
Correct. So this is how, and I already shown you mobile dashboard. So I'm not going to show you again.
Welcome to on.
So this is the basically feedback from the customer side after implementing our devices, how usually they create the VLAN, how they save their money, how they retain their customer. These are the recommendation from their side. Okay. Now portal authentication I have already shown you. So I will just show you here video how easily you can create the captive portal. I shown you in app. Just see the video from captive portal setup, how you can set up this captive portal. Just see this. You need to go on captive portal. Again, open the app, go on captive portal, create ad policy. Here you can create captive portal on-frame, on cloud also. If you have only access point, then you can choose AP. If you have a gateway also, then you can choose a router. You can select the VLAN ID which you have created for your guest. You can select that VLAN ID, then you can select a timeline, seamless online, 1 week, 1 day, whatever. Then you can add the URL page which I shown you. And you can select the authentication method, SMS, voucher, login, whatever you want to do. Then save. And you can put some, if you want to put some download background that I shown you, you can put some marketing message also over here. Okay. And then save. Correct? Done. This is the only way to configure the captive portal. Now, second step after configuration, if you want to see how it looks, you can see this. These are the basically things which you can like these are the designing. Okay, done. So the biggest, now coming to the NAT traversal. Now take an example. If you are a system integrator, if you did multiple project like small project where you deployed maybe CCTV, some AV devices, some printer, everything is there. If I am saying you, can you manage if customer told I want see the network or I want to see this my some video throughput, can I see this? Is there anything is there which can help you to like uh, which can help you to get the access of your CCTV from your location?
In progress.
So basically, it's not possible with any OEM easily, that much easily to like get the access of your CCTV on premises. Now, how Ruijie is helping here to you to get the access of your NVR, to get the access of your CCTV, to get the access of your printer, to get the access of your maybe some IoT device from your location. Just say this. This how this net traversal feature is working. Right? Let this. My screen is visible. My screen is visible to you. Can anyone please put in chat box? Wait. Okay. So just say this. What I did, I went here on again App Store. I went this project. This I'm just creating one CCTV project. This is the CCTV project, assembly CCTV demo. How this NAT traversal is helping to customer to get the means the access of your camera or NVR from your central location. Just say this. Here is the bit. So just go to the topology. You can here enable all the terminal, wired and wired terminal. Go here. Just see this. These all the devices are here. Here is the camera you can see, right? Suppose if you want to get the access of this camera, okay. So just click the camera. Click this camera. You can find the IP. You can find the MAC here and just went here. This camera does not have any IP. Let all the devices come online. Okay. Wired. I just selected wired terminal. Okay. So this is the camera. This camera you want to access the video from here. Just click here. Okay. NAT traversal. Open here. And just put the username and password. That's it. You will start getting the video throughput also sitting at your location. This is the very awesome feature for you to manage your CCTV from your mobile. You can log in multiple camera, even though if you want log in whole NVR. So what you can do, you can just click here. Suppose if you want access your NVR, just click here is the feature. Here's the feature called NAT traversal. Okay. Just go here, click NAT traversal. And then you can add the services, which device you want to access, your NVR, your camera. In this situation, multiple camera. If take an example, in that project, there is the multiple vendor camera is there. Maybe Dahua is there, maybe Hikvision is there, maybe Matrix is there, maybe some other Honeywell is there. So you can select the which vendor, which camera you want to access. We are not worried about the vendor name. We have a system where you can get the visibility of any brand camera. Suppose if I want to access this Dahua camera, just click here, enable. That's it. Go open. Let's go and you put the username and password. If you want access of this NVR, just click here, NAT traversal. Go here, add service. Click the device. Click the device NVR. Okay. Go here and enable this. Open. Put the NVR username password and get the access. This is how easily we are helping our customer to maintain their net, to maintain their customer, to retain their customer, to manage their whole CCTV network. This, the base thing is what I'm just taking as an example. I have an existing project where customer has already bought the devices, where customer having their existing platform ready. They have their own switches, they have deployed the camera, they have deployed the gate, everything is there. Now take an example. You deployed one project and customer has given you AMC charge also. If you take the AMC, okay, suppose total 100, maybe 50 camera is there or 30 camera is there. Or, okay, if and then apart from that, there's the networking device. Is that possible to you putting one hardware? If you suppose if you put at one gateway, the gateway cost is less than 7,000 rupees. Just put one gateway in that network. It will help you to manage your whole infra. Is that possible? This gateway will give you the visibility of all the camera, all the access for this wired device, wired terminal, which is connected with your network. Just put one gateway on top of your, on below of the ISP, and you use the same gateway IP address in your NVR, and then you can get the login of your whole camera from your mobile. Just one gateway can help you to get the visibility of all the CCTV and NVR. I am just showing you one picture. It has been sent by our partner only. Just wait. This yeah, he has shown this. Shared me this. Let me show you. He has put it only one gateway in their network. He's my partner in Coimbatore, Mr. Raj. Just say this. Yeah, just say this. There's the one gateway which is giving the visibility of 54 camera. This gateway supports 100 user, 100 IP. So does not matter for us if 100 user gateway is there. So you can connect 100 CCTV, 100 IP you can use. If 200 user gateway, then 200 IP can be used. 300 user, 300 IP can use. The good part is what here you are getting. If you have put it one gateway, you are getting the your CCTV, IP and mic both. Correct. The good part is what if you get this detail IP and MAC detail become very easy for you to manage that camera from our central location. Okay, this is the things, and even not only manage, not only CCTV, you will be able to get your IoT device like Wi-Fi device, that also you can get that from here itself. So these are the advantage actually. After putting one gateway, you are removing lot of challenges. So after enabling this NAT traversal, if you want to delete, because this NAT traversal is kind of VPN, after using this, then you can delete also, or it will automatically get deleted after 1 hour. Okay. After NAT traversal, now take an example. Here, many of people there do mix things like you do networking, you do CCTV, you do a lot of things. If you deployed networking, if you deployed some access point at a customer place, the majority of the time, what challenges you face? Most of the time, I spoken with the SIs, then they told in assembly, I'm talking about customer call them, they said, boss, Wi-Fi is not working. You know, majority of time, what happened? Internet does not work, they complain Wi-Fi is not working. So if internet is not working here, you know, here in this scene, which is showing green, this will become a orange if internet is not working. So ISP side, if it become orange, that means if customer call you, he said, brother, this my Wi-Fi is not working. Just first check the internet is working or not. If internet is working, that it will be green. If not working, it will be the orange. This sort out lot of the problem. Second step is what? Maybe camera is not working. Okay. Then the best part is what? First thing which you need to do. What you will do? This is my PoE switches. You use this PoE switches to connect the camera. So here take an example. This switch you use to connect the camera. I put this CCTV switch. I renamed this switch name is CCTV switch. Okay. Wait, CCTV switch. Okay, this is my CCTV switch. Customer called me, this camera is not working. So what I will do, I'll just go here. Here I'll click switch. I'll click directly CCTV switch. I'll open. Here each port you can rename. I want to connect this port. I selected the CCTV. This port is utilizing for the CCTV. And I can put this port name also. I put this name warehouse. This camera deployed in the warehouse. Okay. This is the warehouse camera. And now if customer complain, my warehouse camera is not working. So first open the CCTV switch. Click the camera. Click the port, CCTV port. You can see this is the warehouse. Here first step is what? You can do the cable test. Just click the cable test. You'll be able to see cable test option. I'm hoping yes. Click the cable test. Here cable is testing. Wait. I think my screen again got disconnected. Let me get connected again. Wait, let me get connected again. Wait. I'm sharing screen again. Okay. So here, what you need to do first, what I did, I open the CCTV switch. I can rename this complete switch. This switch I can I'm using for CCTV 1 or CCTV 2, whatever you want to see. Suppose 1, I change the name of 1. This port I can select CCTV or camera, whatever is connected with this port. I can select that, and again I can rename this port also. This port I'm using, this switch, this CCTV I'm using in warehouse. Customer complain me, Rajiv, this switch, this my warehouse camera is not working. What you can do, first you can click here, you can click on cable test. Just see, click on cable test. The majority of the time what happened, that cable which you have connected with the switch and CCTV, the cable start get disconnected. Then you can check the cable, that does this cable is working fine or not. You selected this cable test, okay. Then cable is working fine, there is no any problem. Then you can restart this port. Sometime what happened, camera is running 24/7, and after running, what happened, it get hang or some new firmware came. What you need to do, many time you just need to wait, you just need to wait on a customer side just to reboot that camera. Here the advantage is what? You can reboot this interface sitting in your office from your mobile or from anywhere, any place, you can reboot this interface. That whole switch is not going to reboot, only one interface, this CCTV is going to reboot. Just click here, that port got rebooted, your camera got restarted. If anything got hanged up, then it will get refreshed. Okay. Then this is the benefit of the CCTV vendor, where you can reboot your camera, you can get the access of your camera, you can get the MAC ID, IP address of your CCTV. So it becomes very easy for you to manage all the devices. Now the second thing is what? Many of you is here who has done the lot of deployment from the this side also, that Wi-Fi side also. Many of the time what happened, customer complain my Wi-Fi is not working. Then what you do? You ask the customer. So in two scenarios, Wi-Fi is not working properly. You know what are the scenarios? I will show you here in my. Let me show you my laptop. These are the mobile dashboard which I was showing you. Here you can, this feature are available in mobile also, but I want to show you something in laptop dashboard, so that simultaneously we can you can log in here from Ruijie Cloud. Okay, I open, you can get the access of whole project over here. I just open this project. Customer complained me, brother, my Wi-Fi is not working properly. Then what we actually do, we ask customer, sir, do the Wi-Fi optimization, or maybe some power optimization is issue. So here is the feature. Can you see? Here is the feature, Wi-Fi optimization. You just click here. Okay. Just click on this feature. Optimize now. So when you click optimization, you can just see what kind of feature you are getting, what kind of optimization this app is doing. You can optimize everything. This is optimizing your radios. This is optimizing neighbor APs. This is analyzing your historical roaming data or identifying network deployment environment. Okay, this is scanning your radios to identification external source of interface. This is calculating the optimal channel. Okay, roaming sensitivity, lot of things. So after this, after optimization, you can see this, all the devices, all the channel, all the power things, wherever there is the issues or challenges, it will get fixed and customer will start getting very good performance. They say this, let's complete this. Here, after this, here is calculating optimal power transmit also. Here, just see the result. Overall user experience is improved following optimization 56%. What is being optimized, that also you can see here. Okay, the optimization things also you can see here. Before, after this, you can see this. Okay, so I mean to say the this optimization, the way I told you means this you can get. This is not that much easy. This is too difficult. But here using our app, this is the very easy. And even if you want select scheduling, you can schedule also. If you want to do this some scheduling kind of things, weekly or monthly, that also you can schedule. After optimization, now I did the optimization, then I again came to the workplace. Take an example. If you have a 3 WAN, 4 WAN, this optimization I'm showing you in my mobile also, where you can get that in your mobile. Let me show. Let me show in my mobile this optimization. sorry, if in smart flow control, gateway you can add, you can take a gateway as a firewall also. So what you can do, you can prioritize app. If customer having a lot of Zoom access, YouTube, if you want to prioritize and deprioritize, then you can use our gateway to do this. How you can do this? Just say this. You can open flow and control, go there. Then you can prioritize, deprioritize whatever you want. Then here, if you want block some app, block some website, that also you can do it. Open flow and app control. Here you can some blocking, unblocking kind of things you can create, or deblocking. As per the user wise, you can make the policy. Group wise, user wise, some user if you want give some limited access, some limited upload download. If you want some user, some blog something, some app, some website, or some category that you can select and block that. That also you can do that. Speed limit, priority block, whatever you want to do, you can do that. Okay. There is the Wi-Fi optimization is done, diagnostic is done. Now alarm. You can set the alarm in case like if you want your camera giving trouble or your device giving trouble, you can set alarm. You will get the email notification, you will get the website notification, that also you will get. Then remote reboot I have already shown you. Now come to the SD-WAN. This feature is very good actually. In a scenario where you have a multiple retail chain or multiple maybe CCTV deployment, maybe there is a 10 CCTV project is there, 15, 20 CCTV. If you want to put all the CCTV project in one side, how you can do? Just see this small video and then you can say this.
An increasing number of small and medium-sized enterprises are starting.
Yeah, actually our SD-WAN is very
networks to
useful.
connect
Just you can
across
see.
different locations.
Chain supermarket,
Traditional
chain retail store
solution
kind of.
encountered several challenges. Reyee SD-WAN solution is tailored designed for SMB multiple branch enterprises. Private IP implementation, adaptable with any ISP, support by pass and router deployment modes, compatible hub spoke mesh hybrid networking architecture. Multiple WAN bonding enables the aggregation of bandwidth from multiple links. Intelligent routing is based on the evaluation of link quality with zero failover latency. SD-WAN effectuates zero-touch provisioning process on cloud. Real-time network monitoring and management. Alerts and intelligent diagnostics on the visual data board. Reyee SD-WAN solution, affordable and enjoyable for everyone. Reyee offers a wide range of SD-WAN CPE hardware.
These are all the gateway or all the gateway support this SD-WAN, and how it works. Just say this. You need to go here. Again, I came here. I opened my login page. This here. You can go the services. Click on any link. Here's the any link feature. Here you can create the group. Suppose I created here group. You can create a group like demo. Here you can set the SD-WAN on multiple types of feature are there. Mesh, custom, hub. So if I want to create a mesh, you can select the mesh. Then next, you can select the project. This two project I want to create the SD-WAN. Just click here, create an SD-WAN group, delivering the network configuration. View monitoring dashboard. Here is your dashboard is here. If you want to do any pre-configuration kind of thing, you can create a pre-configuration where you can do whatever you want to create pre-configuration. Suppose if you want to create VLAN, then you can go here and you can do this. Or if you want some any badge configuration, okay. So you sorry, wait. Okay. So pre-configuration, batch configuration. If you want to create some batch configuration, if you want to use some create some template, then you can do that here. What I did, I selected that and I created some template which you can use for just suppose I have created this template already. So I go here, I create a template, I click on template, then create a template, then you can use suppose password, you want to change the password of all the devices. This template name I put it password. Then I put the some I put some password here. I put the device password. Save. Now apply now. Preview. I select password. It's password one. Configure now where I want to deliver. So you can create the pre-template and you can just push that template which will be pushed across all the dashboard. And after pushing the template, like whatever configuration you've seen, you push that after implementation, it will you will get this logs. This is what, and this SD-WAN is again, it's a free, there is only charge for that. If you want, then you can let me know. I will allow you access for this these things. These are the some today special PPT offer. So these are the basic advantage which we are offering for our customers. So that is why they are using. So these are the gateway feature like fast zero touch up setup, simplified topology and configuration, auto provisioning, SON, WAN robustness, smart flow and API, which I shown you, VPN and SD-WAN, app caching. Yes, VPN we support WireGuard VPN. Again, that is very fast. Audit logging and monitoring, PoE support, enterprise level hardware. These are the some Wi-Fi support, Wi-Fi access point differentiator, how we are differentiate against the competitor, like AP mesh technology, multiple device management from cloud, Wi-Fi intelligent optimization, seamless roaming, high density performance, edge setup, modern standard. So these are the differentiator which is there. This is the two devices, 2200D and 2260G, where we are running some scheme like buy any 8 unit, get 1000 voucher, 15 unit, get 2500, 3 unit, 30 unit, 6000, and 50 unit, 12,000. This is the scheme for today. If anyone having any question, you can let us know, or you have my email ID, everything you have, you can be in touch with me anytime. I'll be very happy to help you. If anyone having any question, you can just raise your hand. I will be very happy to allow you for speak. If no one having any question, so thank you so much. Next time I will let you know about the different vertical webinar which you can join. Next time I'm planning to create a webinar for hotel industry. Why hotel industry are like considering Ruijie. Yeah, Umesh, you can unmute.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Fantastic, your presentation.
Thank you, brother. Thanks for appreciation. I think a lot of people having some question also. Anyone? I'm going to see. Sorry, actually, sometime because I was unable to means the present mirror my mobile, so it got my screen got switched from laptop to mobile. So sometime it got disconnected. So that previous chat got disconnected. So thank you so much, all of you, for joining. Thanks for your understanding. I'm hoping this session is good for you. If any question directly, you can email me or WhatsApp me. Thank you so much.